Okay, here's something cool. I found some white paint up in Silver City. There it is. Don't know what it is, what kind of paint it is. Plain can. It says white on the top. So I started painting with it. See if it'll paint on this board. And the paint is literally soaking into the board as fast as I can paint it. Gotta see this. Have my little roller full of paint. There we go. Good coat there, yes, nice and white. Yeah, nice and white and soaking in. And it is literally absorbing into the wood as fast as I paint it on. This entire board has been painted just like that. Maybe the second coat will do better, I hope.